So we finally got the barker to work. We had to make the flange smaller and we had to trim the bracket. And then on the muffler we had to mount the O2 sensor right there. So now we're good to install it. So now the header is loosely fitted, we can now put the muffler on. So the barker comes with a hanger, a bolt, and a washer in the spacer. So you have to put the bolt and the washer outside the hanger, and then you put the spacer in the inside. You have to remove the stock bolt right here. Now you just put the hanger on. So the next step now is that you want to take the O2 sensor and plug it in. Now you can finish tightening the header over here. So for the top one, you want to stick it in between right here. Lastly, the barker comes with a spring, which goes right here, but we're gonna have my brother do that. He found that the easiest way to do this is to take string. If you're going to do this, make sure your string is strong enough. And now what you want to do is do a last bolt check. Make sure everything's tight. Now we can put the seat and the plastics on. Oh, and another thing is, sorry that the bike's so dirty. My brother decided not to clean it the last time he rode it. Alright, first startup. Welcome back to another video. Today we are at Brown's Camp.